Did you know that most investors miss out on massive opportunities in the stock market every year? For many, the stock market can feel like a chaotic place, with fluctuating prices and unpredictable outcomes. Despite the potential for substantial gains, countless people still struggle to identify the best investment opportunities, often sticking to safe, low-yield options that barely outpace inflation. The truth is, hidden gems in the market are often overlooked, leaving serious money on the table. But here's the secret: right now, there are certain stocks that are primed for growth, ones you may not have considered. These hidden opportunities can help you navigate the unpredictable market and generate long-term wealth. The challenge is knowing where to look and how to invest strategically. The problem: the fear of missing out, FOMO, and uncertainty. With every news headline and market prediction, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Fear of making the wrong investment often holds people back from pulling the trigger. Others simply follow the herd, investing in what seems popular, not necessarily what's best for their portfolio. As a result, they miss early investments that could have grown exponentially. The solution: find the unseen. Invest smartly. What if you could uncover stocks with strong fundamentals, a promising future, and the potential for rapid growth before they become mainstream? The answer lies in finding under-the-radar companies in emerging sectors like clean energy, AI, and biotech. By carefully researching industries with long-term growth potential and identifying undervalued stocks, you can position yourself to capitalize on future trends. These opportunities are not always visible to the average investor, but by digging deeper, you'll find companies that are on the verge of breakthroughs, whether it's a revolutionary technology or a niche product that could change the market. The hidden opportunity, for instance, small-cap companies and tech startups working on breakthrough technologies, are often ignored by larger institutional investors. However, these firms, with their innovative products and market-disrupting ideas, hold tremendous upside potential. Being early to these investments can lead to massive returns if you know how to spot them. The takeaway: so, are you ready to stop following the crowd and discover the hidden investment opportunities before it's too late? It's time to start digging deeper, doing your research, and unlocking the full potential of your portfolio. The market is full of hidden treasures, and now's your chance to find them before everyone else catches on.